Let's install DJI Fly app. It has two different types of motors and propellers that should be set as pair. It is very important to identify right propellers for the cross-mounting motor. Silver marking propellers should be attached with the silver marking motors. Likewise, propellers without any marking should be attached with the motors without any marking. To ensure safe flight, make sure you have firmly attached the propellers. Once you are done, let's connect phone with the drone remote. The cable with the remote icon mark should be connected with the remote, and the other end of the cable should be connected with your smartphone. I have iPhone, but if you have a different phone, find the right option which should be available in the accessory kit. Press the power button once, then again, and hold to turn on remote controller and the aircraft. Repeat the same steps if you like to turn off the remote controller and the aircraft.